Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and the channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today is June the 15th and the devotion is Stronger Than You Know. Have you never heard? Have you never understood? The Lord is everlasting God, the creator of all the earth. He never grows weak or weary. No one can measure the depths of his understanding. He gives power to the weak and strength to the powerless. Even the youth will become weak and tired, and the young men will fall in exhaustion. But those who trust in the Lord will find new strength. They will soar high on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not faint. No matter how puny your muscles may seem to you, you are stronger than you know. You can do anything you set your mind to. And you'll do it because God gives you a supernatural strength to power through and endure. God never weakens. He never gets too tired to make it through the worst the world can throw at you. Put your hope in Him, and He will give you strength beyond your wildest imagination. God, I simply put my hope in you today and ask for you to give me strength to run and not grow tired. The nighttime says, others around you may stumble and fall, but not you. God gives you the tenacity to make it through your toughest times when you just ask Him. He wants to run with you until the very end. Ask God for strength in each area where you feel weak. He loves it when you admit you need Him. It's when He gets to show off His strength the most. And the question of the day is, in what areas do you feel weak right now? Now that what I read at the beginning was Isaiah 40, 28 through 31. And in the devotional book, it only gives you 28 through 29. But I added the rest of it because verse 31 means a lot to me. And what verse 31, but they who trust in the Lord shall find new strength. They will soar high on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not faint. This verse means so much to me. To me, this verse is about having patience. And God giving you patience to wait on things to happen in His time, not in yours. And this whole thing, this whole devotion tells me that God's not going to put on you any more than you can withstand. And things will work out if you trust in the Lord and wait on Him to give you the answers to the problems that you're having. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share this video. I would appreciate it. And remember, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.